So you've got your copy, and now you're ready to put all of your media in that you want. First thing we're going to do is we're going to change our header here. So I'm going to actually go up here. This is actually the header for the website. And so we are going to change that so that it says third grade, Mrs. Smith. Whoops. And now we can change this title. So let's do that. We just highlight it and I'll say, there you go. And you're done. Now, the back of that is very boring. Let's change it. If I come over here into the corner, it says change image. I can select that and you get two options. You can upload a file or you can select an image. Let's do select image in this case. Google gives you some default pictures in their gallery that you can use. You can also search by URL by putting a link in here. You can look in your albums in your Google Drive as well. I'm going to actually search Google for, oh, there you go, right there. That's the one I want. There it is. All right, so you're on a roll. Let's keep going. So let's look at what else is on this website. We have a welcome message. We have a link to a Google Classroom. We have a plan for the week. And at the very bottom, we have a Google form that we've inserted. Now, how did all those get there? They all got here by using different tools that are over here on the right. So here you can insert, and that's how we got them there. We inserted, and you can come down here are all the different things you can insert into your web page. Now, don't get worried. If you make a mistake, you can always undo using the back arrow. Okay? So you can also change the layout. You can play with that. Again, you can undo if you don't like what you did. No problem. So I'm going to come over here and let's change our welcome message. So let's change it to welcome to third grade for now, since we're just starting our school year. And here you can put any information that you want. Maybe you want to put your bio in as a teacher. Maybe you want to put in a welcome message. Maybe you have information like later in the year where you really want something to be visible when they open the web page. Let's see, I'm just going to do the standard blah and we can move on. Now, if I don't like the format of this, I can change it a little bit. If you go to the Painter's Palette and click on it, you already have some default style things. You can also insert an image. I'm going to choose Emphasis 2 because I know it gives me kind of a gray background. This one is actually, oops, made a mistake. See, undo it, not a big deal. We click on the Painter's Palette here. I've got Emphasis 2. I get that green background. Now those style elements are actually over here. Let's take a look at the style elements that you can change. If you click on themes, here are some different default kind of themes or styles that you can have. So you can click through these, and again, you can always change them back. See a little bit about how they look like. And then if you don't like the colors that are the default colors, you can go in and change those as well. I'm going to go back to simple. It is my favorite. All right. Now I have a blue header. That's fine. So now let's put your Google Classroom link in. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Google Classroom. Up at the top of your Google Classroom, in the search bar, I can highlight everything by triple clicking, and I can copy it. And now I can come back over and I can click here. And I can actually change my link a couple different ways. I can edit or I can click on the link. Okay, there it is. Highlight everything to get rid of the old link. Paste in your new link. Apply. You now can get to your very own Google Classroom. So let's go there. This is Mrs. Smith's Google Classroom. And there you go. All right, what else do we need to do? Let's get back over here. So maybe you want to put your weekly agenda in here or some sort of instruction for your kids. This is easy to do too. I can easily delete by hitting the trash can. I can duplicate a section if I need to. Again, the style elements are there. I'm going to delete this one. And I am now going to go back over to Insert. Okay, and I'm going to scroll down to Docs. It's going to show you available docs right here. I'm going to scroll down, and here is my plan for the first week of school. So I'm going to say Insert, and there it is. It's that easy. You can insert any document you want. All right, so we already gave you a default Google form here in case parents want to contact you for some more information. Maybe they have a question. But you can, again, personalize this. You can create your own Google form, delete this one, and pull it in